Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to solve CapCut no internet problem in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having this type issue that your CapCut has no internet connection, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you just have to go back and you just have to open up your settings. In settings, first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection or you haven't enabled your airplane mode. If you have enabled, you have to simply disable that, and once you have do that, you have to try again to open up your CapCut, because sometimes it might be that your device has no internet connection and you will get this type issue. So if you see that your CapCut is working, so it's fixed your issue. But if it doesn't, you just have to open up your settings again, and this time you have to open up your general, and here scroll down, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you're connected, try to disconnect your VPN, and here you just have to go back. Or if you're still having the same issue, you have to open up your general, then go for iPhone storage, and from here you have to select CapCut, and you have to try to offload your app. Once you have uploaded your app, you have to tap on reinstall app. So it might be there will be any bug in your CapCut. So you must, in this way you can easily fix that bugs, and once your app has been successfully reinstalled, you can easily use your CapCut without an issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.